Hi, it's Arik Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. It was a while I was into some type of psychological and very strange type of, situation that if I wish I was going to see it was psychological, it was like financial. I don't think that was like type of financial because I was doing really well. I mean, right now, based on my platform that I do coach for that, I mean, anytime I need to like show that I do really coach and I do really help people really to get to just stand on their feet and just do their best. And the reason that right now I started this video was this game that I played, and I played with this Zarek Daniel versus Amir Khan. I mean, seems to be here in Live Chess. My rating is much more real in chess.com. I can bring a clear example of kind of AI abuse that chess.com, I can prove clearly chess.com uses bots, and chess.com must be blocked from internet as soon as possible. And I mean, I don't care. I can just play bots and beat them in my highest level, but it's really hard to beat bots because bots are using much accurate, precise mood. But the reason of this video is USA Math, my platform, is the only solution for uh, getting along with artificial intelligence, as long as AI is the problem. But it's going to be AI because in Bible it was prophesied. Right now every morning I'm trying to go back to Bible because whatever the reason is, recently my assumption is just I'm getting a little bit targeted regarding to my clone video, and I can clearly see there are really clone people exist. They must go to the cloning center to get uploaded with the data that mainstream wants to present to the public. So there was a great movie, Humans from Brazil, and exactly it shows how the cloning works, and they just kill the woman eggs characters. They kill it, so the woman egg is only will be there produce that male egg or the female egg. You can just produce inside the male or female, but you need to kill that host characters, because you want to clone that person. You want to have the same person. So that way you get the same person because, maybe a little bit different, not, same, even, copy paste electrons. God knows how many electron is losing or gaining, but based on the domain of human microbiology, cloning is a very kind of handy tool to just be useful but corrupt platforms. Maybe somehow, when if I would say the best way of seeing cloning is when you died, your spirit is going to be there. It's a clone of your body, right? And then it's going to exist as long as judgment goes, because if you go to hell, you go directly to hell. But if not, that spirit will always be there with any form, if it's not going to be burned in hell to be judged. And regarding to this platform, that because USA Math has covers variety of aspect of life, and I'm not into chess or a specific language like English or any type of specific coffee or specific skill. No, the best, I see chess can present a lot of things that I want to present, so I use chess. And in this game, in the opening, when we go back, I was, this game, as you see, I was really struggling. I mean, if I bring my kind of art, here, this part, I mean, do you see how much pressure I am in? If it was like chess.com, definitely, I was going to just like, I'm feeling that light chess is much more organic, so this was an organic, process of how I improve my game, and it was amazing. I don't know how to clear it. This one, oh man, I need to use this anyway. Yeah, it was amazing approach. So one thing is like I was really struggling, and does it have a color, or I don't know. Okay, it's blue. Oh, you go here. Okay, it's blue. Let's go green. Yeah, I mean the green part happens here that I started to go up. Maybe opening was a little bit better. Let's see how was my opening. Let me close this. Put it back. Okay, the opening. Here always you need to get the center. You know why I'm telling AI solution? Because you need to be organic. We have this chess.com abuse that uses AI and abuses, but then you have light chess that uses AI and brings food in human table. And that's the purpose of AI in any affiliation with human prosperity, And the way that we can just really examine the demons and the demonic forces just objectively is just this game, Because, dude, I need to take the center as soon as possible, So I need to reset. I have this screen problem. No, I like the game right now.